Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. That I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off. That way it is a multitasking. The moment USA government is going to provide the job offer sign off and salary, rightful financial and all the civil justice provided to me, and I become the Vatican leader, the entire human kingdom will be saved. So that is why it's very important. So I will quickly go through this civil justice sign off write up so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis's Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. Scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide, Republica prostitution, at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees, broker fees calculator, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution, at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees, broker fees calculator nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution, at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees and broker fees calculator nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution, at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees or broker fees calculator nation. So Republica prostitution, at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees, broker fees calculator nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. So it comes under the breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and to land and types, and trespass to chattels. So I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA prostitution at fault found guilty, USA finance at fault found guilty, USA finance lender fees and broker fees calculator nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. To I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, two civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, and on October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. And as of today, February 2021, to I, Vedapriya Prose, and enforced disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is crime for Republica prostitution at fault found guilty. USA finance lender fees, broker fees, calculator nations when ruling. USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax free $5,000, and USA Republica prostitution at fault found guilty. USA finance lender fees, broker fees, calculator nations must sign off tax free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types damages done by selfish cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness of God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.